Have you ever wondered why Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system, has such a unique and magnificent ring system? Its allure lies not just in its rings but also in its many other fascinating features. Saturn is a planet of mystery and beauty, with secrets we're only beginning to uncover. In this journey, we'll delve into the top 10 curiosities about Saturn, from its density to its moons, and more. Stay with us as we count down the top 10 curiosities about this fascinating planet. Starting at number 10, Saturn's rings, a spectacle of cosmic beauty. These rings, composed primarily of ice particles with a smaller amount of rocky debris and dust, stretch out over 70,000 miles, yet are a mere 30 feet thick. They were formed, scientists believe, from remnants of comets, asteroids, or shattered moons. Despite their size, their origin and composition still hold many mysteries. Saturn's rings are indeed a cosmic masterpiece, but there's more to Saturn than meets the eye. Coming in at number 9, did you know Saturn could float on water? Yes, you heard that right. Despite its massive size, Saturn's density is lower than that of water. This means if you could find an ocean big enough, Saturn would bob on the surface like an apple. This is due to its composition, primarily hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements in the universe. So, beneath Saturn's thick, gaseous exterior lies a planet that's surprisingly light. A planet that could float on water, how extraordinary is that? Number 8 on our list, Saturn's numerous moons. This celestial giant boasts an impressive family of over 60 moons. Among these, Titan stands out, larger than the planet Mercury, and enveloped in a thick nitrogen-rich atmosphere. Then there's Enceladus, a shiny white moon spewing geysers of water from its south pole. And let's not forget Iapetus, with its unusual two-toned coloration. With such diverse moons, each with its own unique characteristics, Saturn's celestial neighborhood is nothing short of fascinating. With so many moons, Saturn's sky must be quite a sight. Number 7 on our list, Saturn's day and year. Now here's a fun fact, a single day on Saturn lasts only about 10.5 hours, a swift spin indeed. But when it comes to a year, Saturn takes its sweet time. To orbit once around the Sun, Saturn requires 29.5 Earth years. Imagine celebrating your birthday every 3 decades. Time sure flies differently on Saturn, doesn't it? At number 6 we have Saturn's mysterious hexagon. This isn't some cosmic illusion but a persistent storm at Saturn's north pole, shaped incredibly, like a perfect hexagon. The sides of this storm are more than 9,000 miles long, larger than the diameter of Earth. It's a swirling mystery with scientists yet to fully understand what causes this bizarre six-sided spectacle. Imagine a storm so vast, so fierce it could swallow our planet whole. A hexagon that could swallow Earth, that's something to think about. Number 5 on our list, Saturn's beautiful color. Ever wondered why Saturn appears yellowish? Well, it's all due to the composition of its atmosphere. Saturn's atmosphere is primarily made up of hydrogen and helium, much like our sun. But the key to its color is the presence of trace amounts of other chemicals, including ammonia crystals. These crystals scatter sunlight in a way that gives Saturn its golden hue. Quite fascinating, isn't it? Saturn truly is a gem in our solar system. At number 4, the fierce winds of Saturn. Let's talk about the velocity of these gusts. They're no gentle breeze, oh no, they're the fastest in our entire solar system. Blasting through the atmosphere at a blistering 1,100 miles per hour, they make Earth's fastest winds look like a toddler's puff on a dandelion. To give you some context, the highest wind speed ever recorded on Earth was a mere 253 miles per hour. So hold on to your hats, it's windy on Saturn. Number 3 on our list, Saturn's powerful magnetosphere. This colossal magnetic field, larger than the planet itself, plays a vital role in shaping Saturn's environment. It's so strong that it deflects solar winds, preventing them from stripping away the planet's atmosphere. Imagine an invisible shield, tirelessly protecting Saturn from the harsh forces of space. This force field also traps charged particles, creating stunning auroras at the planet's poles, much like our northern and southern lights. Saturn's magnetosphere, a protective shield like no other. Coming in at number 2, the discovery of Saturn. This majestic planet wasn't actually discovered in the way we might think. It's been visible to the naked eye since antiquity, and ancient astronomers, from the Babylonians to the Romans, were well aware of its existence. However, it was Galileo Galilei who, in the early 17th century, first observed Saturn through a telescope, revealing the presence of its iconic rings. This marked a significant leap in our understanding of the universe. Saturn, a planet that has intrigued humans for millennia. And finally at number 1, the future of Saturn. Astronomers predict that over the next several billion years, Saturn will undergo minor changes. It will continue to lose its rings, as gravity pulls icy particles into the planet. These changes, however, are slow, almost imperceptible on a human timescale. And while we can't predict every detail, one thing is certain. The mysteries of Saturn will continue to beckon, inspiring future generations of explorers. Saturn, a planet full of mysteries waiting for us to uncover. There you have it, the top 10 curiosities about Saturn. From its mysterious rings to its peculiar hexagon, Saturn continues to captivate us. Dive deeper into the wonders of Saturn and other celestial marvels. Remember, the universe is full of curiosities waiting to be discovered. Who knows what we'll find next?